Hey guys, so watch this video for Wednesday, September 8th. Starting off with the daily and the SPY as I always do. It looks like it's, kind of rolling over, but still above the 8-day and still sitting really basically at all-time highs. Really dead day again in the market. Not a lot of volume, not a lot of action, but I did a good job of sitting around and waiting for the A-plus setups. If you didn't make it to chat today, I'll show you a couple things that were called. One was, let me get after hours off here. One was Wayne called RKLB right there, second mouse through 15. And you got a pretty quick move to 1590. I mean, it was like 10 minutes. It came back down, probably chased you out the rest, but if not, it went all the way to 1650. Anyway, nice heads up by Wayne. Late in the day, I called BBIG as a Tokyo. I'd given several heads up that I liked it over the early high. There's the opening high, which was 841. I'd given several heads up throughout the day that anytime today I typed in, I like this over the high of day. And then I saw the volume coming in. I called it Tokyo even before the high of day break. I think it was like 836, so big deal. Got you in like a nickel early, but it went all the way to almost 10. And actually in after hours, trading at 1058 was over 11 in after hours. You see that a lot. But that was a neat little afternoon trade. And sitting on my hands most of the day paid off, by not walking away. I really liked that one and had some good money made on that one. Also, Alan H called CLOV, which was super strong all day. And then he called it right here on the pullback, right around 1025 was what he said, the 15's buy zone. It actually went to exactly 1025. He put the idea out before it got there ahead of time. Goes down, hits 1025, and then goes back up to 1083. So that was a neat little call too. Anyway, there's a few highlights from the day. What are we watching for tomorrow? Actually, I have kind of a big list. ADAP, we're going to see if that gives a follow-up day. Nice breakout today. IPHA. This one's kind of obscure. I don't love it because Friday it hit 890, and then today opened at 522. So there's still a ton of bag holders in this, but it did hold up fairly well. So with that crazy move it made on Friday from 402 to 890, I am going to keep an eye on it because stranger things have happened, right? EFTR had a massive move from the low of day of 888 all the way to 1988. So a huge move, but closing well off its highs. As a day trader, I'm still going to put that on a chart. Same with SOAC, closing well off its highs, but I want to watch that one too. Anything that makes a massive move like that, you always want to watch it for a few days, right? SRZN, same thing. Massive move, big volume, closing off its highs. OPAD, same thing, right? You seen a pattern here? LEXX had a nice gap up today. Good volume for this stock. Going to watch that for a follow-through day. AMC, very close to a breakout here. You got kind of this pop here and a flag forming. Closed at the highs today. Definitely good one to watch for a potential breakout of that range tomorrow. BBIG, I already talked about the call on that one today. Definitely going to watch that one tomorrow. It's been on fire. CLOV, nice breakout today. I was actually watching this in after hours. I thought if it broke its high from today, which was 1113, in after hours, it might get going some more. And it never did. But as I'm talking right now, there's 27 minutes left in the after hours session, and it's trading at 1092. So kind of flagging at the highs in after hours. We're going to watch that one. OG, big breakout today. We'll see if it gives a follow-through play tomorrow. OLB. This one doesn't look so pretty, but it's made a nice move from 4 to the high on Friday was 665. Today gapped down a bit, but it kept lighting up the new high sticker most of the day. Well, okay, most of the afternoon. I just kept seeing that symbol over and over. So when I did, I thought, you know what? I'm going to watch that one tomorrow. I'm not in love with the daily, but it is kind of interesting that it topped out right around that whole number 6 with Friday's high up above at 665. One of my least favorite as far as the daily chart goes, but I am going to watch it. SQL had the big 2-day pop after it IPO'd, and now it's down, 5 days in a row? Much lower volume though, looking for a turn back up. SPRT goes back on bounce watch. It actually got very close to the 20-day today. Just going to keep that one on bounce watch. And then GAMB is kind of obscure, but it had a huge move back here. Then kind of a secondary bounce, and now 3 days down in a row, right into that area we like between the 8 and the 20 EMA. Kind of we call that the buy zone area, so we're going to watch it for a potential turn back up tomorrow. And I'm going to leave it at that. We'll add other gappers in the pre-market to this list. And, I said it a million times this past few weeks. Don't overtrade this market. Don't oversize. And wait for the A+ setups, and you'll do just fine. All right? Anyway, I'm done babbling. See you in chat in the morning.